Welcome back everybody to week 7. I can't believe it's already been 7 weeks. And over those 7 weeks, our lifestyles have changed a lot. Most of us are sitting a little bit more now. So these exercises you're gonna see here today, the Y's, W's, and T's from the prone position on the floor are gonna help us pull back our shoulders and more naturally get into a better posture by strengthening the muscles back here. Because while we're sitting at home, these muscles become overworked and we get stuck here. So the Y's, the T's, the W's are meant to pull those muscles back, not just by stretching, but by strengthening so that you can stay in a nice, healthy back position. So the starting position for all of these is that we wanna be with a big inhale, driving belly into the floor, with your chin up and forehead off the floor. From there, we can go either into the T position, pulling the shoulder blades back and together, the W, or the Y position. Depending on your overhead ability, you might notice that the Y is going to be a little bit more challenging. And if it's a small range of motion, that's fine. Let it be small and let it be a slow range of motion, no matter what exercise you're going through.